Rose, his intentions were misunderstood.
My article failed. Let me be clear. My article has failed in that the question, in that everything that's spoken about is everything but what I was trying to speak about.
You regret that
I failed that.
But you're really saying what I really regret is not anything that I did. I regret that people misunderstood what I did.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Penn says his article was, quote, experiential journalism, and he says he wanted to meet El Chapo because he felt complicit with others suffering in the war on drugs. Penn also says he's frustrated by drug policies that have little or no effect on the drug war. A line of strong storms passed through southwest Florida overnight, bringing with it severe winds, thunderstorms, and tornadoes. 2 people died when tornadoes touched down in Manatee and Sarasota counties. Damage in Sarasota County was estimated at $3 million. In Naples, Florida, weather experts spent the day assessing the damage and trying to determine whether a tornado also touched down there.
We'll be retracing the steps of the storm to determine what sort of storm actually occurred, what caused the damage. As it looks now, we have a very wide area and long path area of damaging thunderstorm winds. Easily 60 to 70 mile per hour winds occurred with this thunderstorm. What we'll be investigating through the course of this survey is to determine whether or not there is some tornadic damage and that a tornado may have occurred within this area of damaging winds.
The storms also uprooted trees, flooded canals, and left land in disarray from high tides.
Always watching, always tracking. WUSA 9's First Alert Weather, DC's most accurate.
Okay, let's talk 3-degree guarantee. How are we doing?
I was really nervous today, to be
You
quite.
were?
Yeah, because we
Tupper
lowered
never
it.
gets nervous.
No, I was a little nervous. We lowered it from 42 to 41 last
Right.
night, and I thought it'd be like a midnight high. Well, it dropped to 37 at midnight.
Uh-oh.
Long story short, it did climb back up to 38. Thank you. So we were okay. We were within 3 degrees. Now, tomorrow's going to be a tricky one, okay? I'm going to go 32. But I don't want you to keep that number in your head. By the way, we're 35 of the last 38. Don't keep 32 in your mind. It's going to be in the 20s tomorrow during the day. I think it'll be a midnight high tonight, but I got to play the midnight high game. And wind chills will be in the single digits and teens. Those are the numbers I want you to remember. Single digits and teens tomorrow. I'll look outside. It's our live Michael and Son weather cam. It's 34 now. That's good. Dew points in the upper 20s. The frontal boundary is not rolled through yet. The Arctic boundary is just to our west. And yes, a couple of snow showers possible around Hagerstown, Leesburg, down toward Warrenton. These are pushing through pretty quickly off to the south and east, but that is the leading edge of the Arctic air. So don't be surprised if you haven't walked the dog yet, you pop outside. Aldi, snow flurry possible. Haymarket going across 234 and eventually heading into Chantilly and Fairfax. Probably Fairfax at about 12:19. So just keep that in mind. That's with the Arctic front. That will signal the passage of the Arctic front. So wind chills tomorrow. Here are the numbers you want to remember. 8 to 16. That's what it's going to feel like. Below freezing through Wednesday afternoon. Not as cold Wednesday or Thursday. Not exactly bargains, but not as brutally cold. And then significant storm on Friday. Just about every model I can get my hands on shows a storm developing on Friday. Will it be rain and/or snow? That is a $64,000 question, and we cannot answer that right now. But we're going to keep a close eye on this one and perhaps dust off the breadometer. We shall see. All right, 6 o'clock in the morning. Sunshine, 19 in Gaithersburg and also Manassas, only 23 downtown.